Hi guys, it's Lita. So I have a spooky box unboxing for you guys. This is the Let's Get Lost box, and I think this is the most current spooky box. I think I'm only like two weeks or 3 weeks late or something. But anyways, let's get into this box. So, box is open. This feels like a really big item. Big. Oh, what is this? I don't know what these are, but they're really huge. They look like shoe bags.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Okay, so I just wanted to unwrap them for you guys without all the like crinkly plastic. So it's like a zip bag. I feel like these are shoe bags. It's like a mesh bag. The pattern is super cute on both of them. It's just the same thing but like purple. I like both the patterns. They're both like super cute, so, but I don't know exactly what they are, so we'll have to read the card. It's the candy liquid filled bubble gum. It's the card. Oh, it's a pen. Is it a good pen? I don't know what it is. Is it a broom? Looks like a broom. Cute, that's cute. It's a broomstick. Yeah, I like that. Just pick this out. It's coffin shaped, which is awesome. Ooh, coffin shaped sunglass case. Nice. Yeah, this is super cute. Super cute. I like that a lot. Yay. And then there's another one of these bags. Oh my god, the patterns on these are super nice. This has got a handle though. I don't think the other ones have a handle. Oh yeah, they do. Yes, they do. They definitely have handles. Okay. And we have this. Oh, it's a postcard. I think it's like a couple postcards actually. It's the same pattern. I just wanted to see if it was different. Okay, there's a patch. That's the thank you card. So the patch is the last thing. And this is the patch. Oh, it's cute. I like it. It's a little ghost and it says time to fly. That's cute. I like that. Alright, so let's find out what the hell these bags are, because I have no idea. Custom made, medium packing cube, ghost print. See, they're like packing cubes. This is good though, because I actually tried to do this when I was on the road, and it does work. It is effective to pack different things in little pouches and then put it in a bigger bag. So, this is the medium packing cube ghost print. This is the medium packing cube web print. And this is the small packing cube coffin print. These bags are amazing. They look super well made. I'll just open up one of them for you. It's the inside of this small packing cube. These are really cute. I'm really happy with this, and like I said, they all have handles. I didn't think the bigger ones did, but they actually do, so that's super cool. I love that. Those are really like well made. That's a big item. Pretty happy with that. And you have the wish you were here postcards, the coffin shaped sunglass case, which is super cute. Love that. That's probably gonna be my favorite item out of this. This is really, really cute. Next item is the broomstick enamel pin. And then we have the super cute Time to Fly patch. The ghost is adorable on that. I love when they have faces like that. And then this Terror Eye gum. It says it's liquid filled. So we're gonna try one of these. This is actually a pretty detailed eyeball for gum. It's strawberry filled. They're actually really good, and I don't like them, so that is my unboxing of the Let's Get Lost box. Comment down below your favorite item that I got in this box. Treat yourself to a spooky box. The link will be posted in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on other social media. My links will be posted in the description box down below. Hit that notification bell so you guys know when I upload. Bye.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer? Every night, I can feel my leg